Folks, what's happening? This is a special at-home Fidgets from a Friend edition. Kids included. Oh, this just fell off my head. Apparently that was put on there by the kid. Thank you. Thank you. So we are going to be looking at some stuff that came to me from Mel over at EDC Fidget. Perfect. You just play with that plastic bag there. All right, let's jump in first with some 3D printed ones. And then we've got the Pig X slider collab with 42 Cosmo. And then the mechanic. So stay tuned for that here. Start with these here. I think I've seen these referred to as like lunch trays or something like that. So Mel went through and bought a ton of the 3D printed Fidgets to test them out and rank them. All right, don't play with it for real. And definitely check out her video over at EDC Fidget. It's the comprehensive 3D printed fidget guide. So I can't say that I know where all these come from or their names, but head to her channel at EDC Fidget and check that out. So anyway, these are oh, this is gonna be harder than I thought. There you go. There you go. Enjoy that. Okay, let's get through these. So there's two of these. They're the same thing. The lunch tray. Yeah, that's okay. I couldn't do that forever. There's really no grip or anything on the back of these, so that makes it kind of difficult to hold on to. So those are only okay. This is wild. All right. There's this guy, and I really don't like him. I really don't. This is like, I don't know, a 3-level top B or a CP3, but it's got balls in there. Can I help you? There isn't a whole lot of feedback with it. There's not a whole lot of feedback with it. It's just kind of bland. Not to mention the look. You can literally crawl anywhere you want. Okay. Let's move on to this guy. Andrew Messiah, who's a friend of the group. He's got a hive for sale. Hey, pal. Hi. Come on, join. He's got a hive for sale that now I'm really pursuing because this thing felt a lot cooler than I expected it to. All these little balls roll around. You like this one, right, pal? That one's cool. What's your favorite, pal? Do you want to grab him out of your bag? Your cookies?
I like this guy.
You like that guy?
Yeah, that's the most one I like because they feel really fun.
Okay. Did you want to get your cookies still? You like those guys, the Oreo? This is the Pro, I know, from 3DC printings, and it is really good.
Not bad. So what I did, I took this off.
Yeah. Oh, and now you can just have that piece in the hand?
Yep.
That's pretty nice. This one is kind of similar. It's got that on both sides. It's got some weight to it, which is nice. Okay, you do that one, I'll do this one. But the magnets are not... Hold on, there we go. The magnets are not super strong. So I'd almost... I don't know. Gosh, maybe I do like this one. I think I like this shape better, though. It's a little thicker than I'd like, but yeah.
So after you are done, do you want to keep making out one on your iPad?
Oh, sure. This is awesome. 3DC Printings has great stuff. That's a really nice one. This is the frag from 3DC Printings, but quiet. So it doesn't have that clicky from the magnets. I definitely still prefer the clicky. What did I say? The frag? This was the glitch. I'm sorry. This one is the frag. Which I didn't know if it was just mine or if Mel's would be the same. The magnets are not as strong as they are in the glitch. These are your favorite, right, pal?
Yeah.
So these are, you've got an ice cream sandwich.
We can both call these the Oreos.
Oh, they can both be Oreos?
Yeah.
He's just crawling away, screaming.
Where are you going?
I don't know, we gotta make sure he doesn't go too far. This is from Haptic EDC, and this one is great. I don't know if this is like their pro version, but really snappy.
Oreo.
I love that. That's a great one. If you like or haven't been able to get a hold of the Clover, this one is awesome.
I do not like him because he pinches.
Yeah. M says that this one pinches, so he doesn't like it so much. But it's kind of nice that it has the little divots in there.
I do want to match like you.
And you can do this, which is cool. Just kind of like the Clover. Get it up in that corner and turn.
Ew, I like this guy. I like this guy.
It's just thick. Which guy? Okay, which guy is that? Let's see. Okay, that's from Finley's Fidgets. And it is the quietest slider that you'll ever have in your life. Again, a little thick. If he brought this middle piece down a little bit, that would be like the perfect silent Magnus companion.
I guess I did not like that guy because he just hit me one time.
He pinched too?
No, like he hit me one time.
This is the craziest video I'll ever put out. This is the this thing. Another quiet one.
I like this guy.
You like him?
Yeah.
What do you like about him?
Because he's really loud and he doesn't like pinch or hit.
He's really loud and he doesn't pinch?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is good.
And hit.
He doesn't hit you?
Like him. Like him.
All right, let's get to the mechanic and the pig slider. Hold on.
Yeah.
All right, my assistant here has actually unboxed the Loudy Mechanic first, so let's check that out.
Let's see if it's in here.
Let's check out my EDC.
It's in here.
So this is the Mechanic. So this is the cheaper version. I think it's stainless steel, and it doesn't come with the textured outside. It's just plain. And this was a lot more disappointing than I expected it to be. This is part of the Spy Wars series. I was expecting more of a click. It's almost like a thump. So I don't know. I know that this one is able to be modded up a little bit, and you can mess around with the magnets inside. So maybe there's the ability to give it more of a snap, but I haven't messed around with it too much. This is going to be passed around, so maybe Kev or Preston or somebody will find the time.
I'm not serious in here.
All right, now let's check out my fave of the bunch. This is the pig slider. This is a collaboration with 42 Cosmo. As you can see, it's got the 42 Cosmo planet thing on the back. So this, it's just stainless steel, but you can put the balls in to have it be an up and down slider. I love it with them out because you can also get an awesome turn in there. Boo, do you like this one?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to slide
Why
it.
don't you try it? Okay. Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing is awesome. For sure. Out of all of them, definitely my favorite. Out of the 3D printed ones, haptic EDC, that one right there, the Pro, this guy, just feels nice.
No.
Andrew, I'm coming for your hive. Oh, SpongeBob and Patrick have joined the party. And yeah, this thing, if you haven't been able to get your hands on a Clover, again, check out Mel's video on EDC Fidget. She's got all the names. Thank you. Thanks for hanging out with us. And yeah, thank you, Mel, for sending over a sweet package of stuff. All right, guys. As always, signing out.